The Honorable Justice Mathebula of the Free State High Court Division, you are called to uphold the rule of law. You are called to uphold the rule of law. You have been served with this particular document on 19th of July 2022. This document requires you in prayer, inter alia, to deal with this issue of the national anthem. All these things that I have done in service and defense of the country and its people. You were being told that you must interdict the state from this. This is the prayer that is before court. And it's an interdict. An interdict, good people, it's something that happens. You are interdicted. You are stopped. You don't do it. Don't say, let us live and struggle for freedom. Don't do it. You must start saying, let us live and enjoy freedom. That is what an interdict is. And when I move with interdict, in terms of rule nisi, as I have done, in accordance with the rules of court, which I know all of them, you would understand it to be true that when the president is called upon to come and answer, you are supposed to come and say why we must continue to live and struggle, attempt or strive for freedom in South Africa, our land. That is what I'm calling Ramaphosa to say in the court. The court is busy doing, we are protecting the president. We are protecting the president. You are sending our president for life. We are protecting him. That is why you see all this corruption here. Because the court was indeed approached and said, hey, listen, balance the probabilities that the Republic of South Africa and its people, who the first applicant serves and defend in accordance with the Constitution and the law, and with honor, dignity, courage, and integrity, will suffer irreparable harm if the court does not so order that the first respondent, which is the state, be interdicted. The state is all of you. And you must understand that particular reality. The state is all of you. You are the state. My inalienable right to life is entrusted upon you as the state. I die for you. It is not vice versa. You need to understand the whole reality here. Even if I were to die tomorrow, I would die the 6th president of the Republic of South Africa, who had freed all people who have been enslaved for many generations because of a very beautiful word, strife. The Honorable Mathebula J of the Free State High Court, do what is right. You know your oath of office. I have written it to you. Don't be scared now. You are a judge. How many people did you send to jail? How many people did you sentence? Applying the law. Which law are you applying? If it is not this law that I'm talking about. I have asked you in prayer and said, please, let us come to this particular issue where now you balance these particular probabilities and interdict the state to say in the highest note of the national anthem, let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa, our land, and say let us live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home, in the national anthem of the Republic. And that the respondents will not suffer irreparable harm if the court so orders as envisaged in terms of Section 18.3 of the Superior Courts Act. Because this particular application is in terms of Section 18. So everything that I will tell you in this particular application is surrounded in terms of Section 18. There is Section 18 that comes and say, for this court, in terms of Section 18 of the Superior Courts Act, which is referred to as the Act in this particular matter. So I want you guys to understand that I am not playing games here. There are no games that are being played. It is an issue where the incumbent president, Cyril Ramaphosa, must get out of office as in the 17th or the 19th of July 2022. The court is buying him time. That is why I have been clear and explicit that I am removing the head of the court. I am now struggling with a part of or an organ of that particular head, which I am removing. I don't play games. You must understand that to be true. I do not labor forcefully as if I am stupid, not knowing that the table of non-derogable rights allows a soldier to be forced into labor for his country and his people, as I have been. It must come to an end. My children must come home. Who are you, Wena, to stand between the father and his child? Who are you? Who are you? Tell me. Umang, Kiramaposa. Hey, Kiramaposa. I will deny you your children. I will. Umang, you are nothing. You understand? Get out of office and let constitutional order remain. Papa Ote.